one. Where's it? I lost it. Oh. It's today only. 10 till who knows when. It's in the back alley.
Okay.
Ooh. Oh my god.
Pretty close?
Yeah. Oh, you should pull up over there, not in front of their garage.
Yeah.
Okay.
Need your room to open your door?
We shall see.
Oh, I gotta change battery. SD card error.
Okay.
Meet you out there?
Yeah, because it's gonna take me a bit to get out.
You okay? I can back up.
All your jewels. Oh, is this a locket?
Yeah, actually it is.
Oh, neat. Huh.
Cute, eh?
Yeah.
You can put his picture in there.
Oh, poison ring.
Yeah, or poison.
Yeah, there
Yeah.
Oh,
Is that Hillary?
Hillary.
Yeah.
Oh, goodness.
Better than Trump.
Oh, these are lovely.
Yeah, we need a Trump doll.
I'm glad that we don't have either of them.
Well, you know what? We don't have much better.
Yeah. It's.
Oh, these are pretty.
Yeah.
Those were my aunts. And she got married in 52. And when we cleaned out their house, they both passed away. Those were with her wedding gown.
Oh,
They're
aren't
not
those?
real.
No,
You know,
but they sure are pretty.
they are. They're very, yeah.
And look at this set.
Yeah, isn't that something? And those
wow.
old earrings.
Oh, are they screw back or clip?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Neat.
I liked it because it was pretty colors.
Yeah, it's so, like, such a rich green.
Yeah.
Isn't that nice? So there's a bracelet and necklace and earrings.
yeah.
Oops, I'm caught. There we go. Oh,
Yeah,
I'm
it's
still,
just
oh,
on
I
there.
see. It's just
Yeah.
Pinned
just,
on
it's,
there.
Yeah, it's just pinned on there so that.
coral. Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Pretty, eh?
It is pretty. How much are you asking for that
10,
set?
but I'm willing to negotiate a little bit on that too, so.
That's a full set. It's nice. Interesting. Oh, and this one.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, I see. It's a stretchy one. Oh, yes. Do you want it still on
Yeah,
there?
it was just blowing around
holding
there.
there.
a little bit,
Yeah.
So.
Oh, you're probably gonna grab that, aren't you?
I think so, yeah. Oh, there's the price. Duh. I didn't even see it
I
there.
didn't see it there either.
Yeah, and I'll get these two.
Okay.
I'll just leave them there.
We'll just keep them
Yeah,
there for
yeah.
ya.
Oh, look
Yeah.
at these. Salt, pepper.
Oh.
Yeah,
And then, oh, the mom's just there.
she's just wished.
She's, yeah.
Guarding them.
Yeah.
I collect those dogs, but I've got so many. I've had to get rid of some.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I've got a whole China cabinet. Those are 25 cents each. There's some cute ones
But
in
why
there.
take the chance?
Yeah. That's funny. I've seen housework makes you ugly, too. That is hilarious. Those are pretty good. Aw, look at that guy. Canada socks?
Oh, yeah.
You want to send those to anybody? Is that soap? Yeah, I think so. They're brand new.
Sure.
Mickey, Ladybug.
We'll grab these for a package.
Yeah, okay.
These look old.
They do because they're yellowed. Yeah. Probably lots of playing with them.
Hello.
Hello. Oh, there's some. Oh, yes.
Duncan Fife style.
Yeah, style.
Style. It's not a true Duncan
It
Fife.
would be like $10,000 if it was done really
If it was
Duncan.
real. Yeah.
Oh, look at that big, gentle
the
giant.
puppy.
Yeah.
Puppy. What's in that big $5 case?
Nothing, I don't think.
Latches at the front there.
Oh.
Like for... empty.
Yeah.
Ooh, smells like mothballs, like big time.
Oh, yeah.
Holy smokes.
Yeah, I had the top for the gazebo in there.
Oh.
Some of the curtains in there, so. But I had it
Ain't no moths getting in there.
No.
the last couple of nights wide open, but they do a pretty good job.
Oh, they
Yeah.
do, don't they?
It's a tough.
When you want to get rid of the smell, you can.
Oh, good luck.
Yeah, I didn't get the smell of it right away. Oh, dog boots.
Doggy boots. Some Saskatchewan Rough Rider gear.
Yeah.
Rough Riders.
Hey, there's that car cane.
Oh, yes, that's right.
Get that for you.
The car cane.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a Coppercraft mirror.
Yeah, I think so. 4. I don't know if it's fancy enough though.
The butterfly comes
Whoa.
off. I just
Yeah.
put it on
Blinded
there
me.
and
Sorry.
didn't wanna
Oh, yeah.
pull it off.
SYROCO. It's not quite right.
Really?
I didn't mean to blind you.
I
Well,
think you did.
Yeah.
I'm surprised, okay. You don't think you get 20 for that, eh?
Maybe.
It should be 5 times your money.
Yeah.
Talked you into it?
Yeah, you did.
Are you getting tired?
Maybe. I don't know. Oh, look at these.
Oh, yeah.
Is that ever in good condition?
Oh, isn't it? It doesn't look like it's been dishwasher.
And it's, yeah, no. Look at them all. All of them are like that.
Oh, look at that.
I just don't know.
These are in great condition. And then look at here. This is the smaller bowl
Oh,
that goes with this big one.
yeah, there should be a set of 3 or 4. Like, there should be one that size, too.
These ones don't have anything on them, though.
No. These are really pretty, hey?
Yes.
And there's this one and those. Oh, is there more? Are these more silver? Yep. For $1.
It's half what you paid for the last ones.
Yep.
And more.
These are sterling too.
Oh, and the little holder.
Yeah, they're turkeys. Supposed to be turkey tail.
Oh, okay. I just knew they were birds.
Check this for uranium. Do you have the thing on you?
I do.
And maybe that.
No,
Oh,
no reaction.
you just killed Frosty here. No, the green. No?
No.
Okay. Okay. Just checking. I want. What? Oh, look at that one with the lion head on it. Is it copper? Yeah, that's copper.
Is it?
Yeah. That's
Cool.
Cool. The one's missing, but that's the back then.
Yep.
Hey, I think we'll get that.
Sure.
Can you hold that? My hand is gonna. Oh. I want your hand to break off, not mine.
That's so nice of you.
I know. So do we want these ones then too? Or no?
You're asking me?
Yeah. I had a pair like this. They had like plastic lids. I've never seen with sterling lids. Avon. Yeah. Oh, look at this cream of sugar. It's cute. Oh, it's hardly any.
Morning.
Hello.
What, you're not terrorizing uplands?
No,
We figured that you guys were terrorizing uplands.
You were. Yeah, They're hard to terrorize.
Did you find anything there?
Okay.
Okay,
Ah, there's-
those guys in there, and there it is.
Okay. So $19. Oh, and those socks things.
Oh, and the socks.
Yeah, how much are the socks?
Actually, we're looking at 19, 20, 21, 22
Okay.
is how I count it.
Okay.
Oh, sorry, 21.50.
Oh,
21.50.
Oh,
Would you go 20?
sure. 20's great.
perfect. Thank you.
Perfect. Thank you. Do you want to?
No, that's fine. I got this right here. There. Perfect.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Oh, tea. What's this? Tea set. Sorry, I
No,
just
no,
saw.
that's my. I bought it already.
Oh,
Can I look at it?
You can. I collect these too.
Oh, look how cute. Oh.
the stuff's falling off the trees.
Okay.
Yeah.
I thought it was a bug.
Okay.
Okay. What would you find?
All right.
Okay, thanks.
Oh, yeah.
There's
bottle
section over
opener.
here for us in Macintosh.
So
She
yeah,
ordered.
pearls and jewelry.
Oh, I just might keep this.
Oh, really? You just might not. See you later.
All right.
Like,
You're just turning in to fill the truck Friday.
yeah.
Can you get in?
Barely.
Suck it in.
I know. I'm still at my winter weight.
Yeah.
Park that close to the fence.
Sorry, I didn't realize I was that close till I got right up beside it here, and I was like, oh.
Well, and then you got to take into consideration the width of the door.
Yeah.
And the handle, and I had to.
Which I did not.
Yeah.
Hey guys, thanks again for coming with us on yet another great week of picking. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. It really helps support our channel and push this video out to people who don't know about us yet. And we're trying to get to 10,000 subscribers this year, so if you haven't yet subscribed, please click that subscribe button and tell your friends. We love you guys. Thanks a lot. On to the next.